Hi guys, Chox here. Welcome back to the Basics playlist. Let's get to the table and see what tool we're having a look at next. Now, you're ready for the most cheesiest and obvious of all. One of the most important things for cake decorating is paper, pen, and your phone. And I'm not even kidding. The reason I say this is because your ideas have to start from somewhere. So normally we're surfing YouTube or Pinterest or whatever 5-minute crafts is coming up with next to see what the hot rage is, all right? The next thing is to take our idea and to make it a reality. So even just a basic sketching of cake. Now, I am not an artist by any means, but if I am starting a new endeavor with my cakes, or if I'm trying a new theme, I will draw it out. Right down to like red edging, white icing, red edging. We've got a sun up here. Happy birthday to you. We're going to draw some tulips and have some grass. So having your pen and paper and your phone or computer, whatever, is a really key essential to creating a beautiful cake, especially if you're a beginner. So you can write out what you need, your ingredients, you can write out the tools that you need, you can write out the steps that it's going to be in, like if you're following a YouTube video. If you're following a YouTube video, say, you can write that down on your piece of paper, and then that way you can have it there, you have all your measurements ready, everything's ready to go, and you have a good idea of what it is you want to do. So I guess I should have made this video the first part in the series, but we're sticking this right here because I actually was taking notes, and I'm like, I sat down and I did my notes first. It is essential to take notes on your cake. Pen, paper, scroll your phone, see what designs are out there, and then, don't be afraid to have a go of it. Take them down step by step. Follow that YouTube video. Follow that Pinterest tutorial. You can do this, all right? Cake decorating is super duper easy. It's like coloring. We just need to figure out what lines go first. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching the Back to Basics Cake Decorating Tools series here. I'm looking forward to putting together a how to use these tools playlist for you next. All right, let me know in the comment section down below if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions about the next playlist series for you guys on the how to, and I would be happy to entertain that for you. Happy cake decorating to you. Easy peasy, no worries. I hope you enjoyed these videos, and I will see you next time on the channel. Click this little box that's coming up here because I'm leading you to another great video series. All right, you guys, happy cake decorating, and I'll see you next time.